This is what it looks like outside. It's pretty cold out here. It's like 11 degrees. Let me show you the carnage here. It's just, oh, I'm not even gonna try. That is frozen solid. You can hear it underneath my feet. This is my car. Oh, it's awful. There's that. Oh, it's so cold. And like, I'm trying. Like, oh, yeah. So, everything's just a wasteland right now. And I'll show you the best part. I mean, this is a pretty good carnage point. Oh, wait, there's more. Yeah. It's for sure. And there's more snow coming. This is in Tennessee. So, what a start, right?